Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by clarifying what success looks like: audience, tone, and the 1 to 3 core messages you must convey. Once done, collect crisp inputs, source links, notes, and example outputs, because quality in yields quality out. Make sure to pick the right model and target format, such as a 801,000 word blog or a short email. That early precision reduces overhaul later and speeds iterations, so begin crafting a focused prompt immediately and don't overcomplicate the setup. Now you build layered prompts. Give a concise instruction, include clear examples, and add hard constraints like headings or word counts. Once you run the model, test 3 prompt variations and compare structure, clarity, and voice. This triangulation reveals what works. Make iterative edits with targeted follow-ups. Ask for shorter paragraphs, stronger hooks, or plain language. Also tweak generation settings, such as temperature and max tokens, to control creativity versus precision. These adjustments finish by running a 3-stage edit. First check content and facts, then improve clarity and flow, and finally copy edit for grammar and style. Once polished, optimize headings, meta, and CTAs for the publishing channel and schedule distribution. If the model keeps producing off-topic or repetitive text, narrow the prompt, include a corrective example, or lower temperature to reduce hallucinations. One key troubleshooting tip: when stuck, ask the model to rewrite a specific paragraph with explicit constraints rather than regenerating the whole piece.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.